Welcome back, and we are accessing one of the most important dark web market, and this market is well known because a lot of markets has been taken down time by time, and so we are here to update every time the new market. So in this video I'll tell you a lot of markets has been taken down time by time, and so we are here to update every time the new market. So in this video I'll tell you how to access dark web market step by step. So first of all you have to do, go to Google and make sure to download a Tor browser. So what happens by using a Tor browser? So Tor browser is a browser that's like Google, but it's not Google. So it's a free source browser, which means you're not going to be, hacked or being located. So your location is kind of protected. So if you're using a MacBook Pro or if you're using an Android or anything, make sure to select any of these. So I'm using a Mac OS, so I'll go for the download for OS X. So I'll click on it and it will directly appear and download. So as I have already downloaded it, so when you're done with downloading, it will appear in here like this, the Tor browser. So all you have to do, go to Tor browser. So remember, Tor browser is a browser in which the websites are usually not by .com. They're usually used by onions. So onions are the layering which will protect you. So first we make sure to protect ourselves as the best level, because a lot of markets will not be open, because the market which we are going to access will not be open without high protection. So first we'll go to click on this guard button and click on advanced security. Click on advanced security. So in here we have got standard, safer, safest. Make sure you choose the safest, because safest is what we need. We don't want anyone to locate us, because a lot of websites use JavaScript, and a lot of things are pictures, or there are videos which trace our location. So we make sure we disable all these and stay on the safest zone. And the market which we are going to access will also make us to click on the safest, because they don't want us to be on a standard or safer. So click on safest and close the tab. And now all you have to do, go to search for a market called White House Market. Click on White House Market and search for it. So White House Market is the new emerging market after a lot of market has been down. So this market is what is available. Click open this one. You will never get direct link to the any market, so you will have to open the different websites and go to and select the they will provide you the links, and you are going to copy and paste those links. So for example, the White House Market has this available link. We'll copy that link, Control C, and we'll go on the other page and paste it. And again we'll see, and we have different addresses on this page as well, so we'll avoid it for the minute. We will stay on this page and we'll see if it opens. So you can see, as you open up the White House Market, it won't allow you to get inside as quick as possible. Let me give you a hint. For example, you stayed on the advanced. If you go to advanced, if you have stayed on the standard, and we close it and we reload this one. So if you have stayed on the standard option, what would have happened? You can see, let it search. So as we have stayed on standard, it says that warning, JavaScript is enabled. To continue, disable JavaScript, and that can only be done by using the security level to the safest zone. So this is why I'm telling you to make sure you are at the secure, your location, everything is secure, and click on the safest, and again go back and reload it. So as you reload it, okay, we got the link from the website. We'll close them and make sure to click on the right images and check, because they have to make sure that you are not a robot. So select all the images containing road. So we'll go for that and check. It sometimes take few number 1, 2, sometimes take a few moments to start up. So this is what we have got. We have got some description, and before you proceed you have to read this and click on proceed without doing anything. As you click on proceed, you will get to this page. So this is the WHM market, which is White House Market. So what you have to do first, you have to sign up. Remember, in sign up, they won't ask you like the email addresses or phone number, because that's against the policy of staying protected. So no user, no email, no phone number. So select any name. I'll go for the Kali 123. That's my name, Kali 123. This is because of Kali Linux, and I'll choose a password. Make sure to use a different password that you usually use on your browser. And one thing more that you have to do is make sure your screen, when you are accessing market, make sure to make it smaller, make it smaller. Don't go full screen, because that would kind of that's also going to make your location visible to other people who are kind of reaching out. So go click on proceed to login, and we have got to this one. So you have to write username that we have just created, Kali123, and go for minimum password. That would be the one that you have selected. And I told you, don't use a password that you usually use, and use that log out if inactive. So if you're inactive, it will automatically be logged out. So 10 minutes is better. I don't think so anyone would be using 10 minutes. It depends on what time you want. So we are getting inside the market, and here we have got news and announcement, markets, and all that. So attention Empire refugees and all that thing, and we'll close this one. If you want to read it, just go and read it, and if you don't, just close it. And as you close, it says JavaScript is enabled. Now JavaScript has just been disabled. I have disabled it. So here we are in the White House market. So you can see all the products are available, all the products you need. So if this is the general page, so in the general page, whatever you want, you can see that. But if you want to go specific and search for anything specific, click if you're searching for any product or vendor, just click on this one. And if you from any you have you want some product to be shipping from anywhere, from Afghanistan, Albania, America, anywhere, and shipping to any country, so that can also be made. And you have got all the products, you can sort them product. Pretty much everything is available on this market. So for example, if you don't know what to search for, you can click on all. You have got this category, you have got online businesses, you have got softwares, you have got services, and everything you have got. For example, we go for the softwares and we click on it, and here we are. So these are all the softwares that are available, and these are different softwares you can choose from. And for example, we move on to online businesses. What we have got, the online businesses. We have got let's just search, and these are for softwares. Okay. So these are all the products. It will cost you like €8, 89 USD. It has different prices, but these prices are lower than usual, lower than the market. So we have got different softwares, online businesses. You have got. But you know what I mean. What is available on the dark web is it's easily accessible. And if you think you want to access dark web and these websites particularly, make sure to access them. And it depends on you what you're going to say. All the prices are available. Like this one for USD $45. It you get it in euros at 38.48 euros. And there are different prices: AUD, CAD, Canadian, ships from digital services. These are from digital services. So if you think you like this video and you want to support our channel, so the way you can support us is by clicking the link down below. We have given an Amazon link. Just click it, and if you want to buy anything from Amazon anytime, make sure to come to our videos, click on Amazon link, and go to Amazon and buy any product. That way we'll receive a small commission, and that will really help us support our channel. And you can make sure to subscribe, comment,